It's the blizzard of December 20th, 2006. There's 24 inches of snow. Piper! And I shoveled all this snow out of the way today. Come here, Pipers.
I don't want to go.
My little beagle. She has a hard time using the bathroom. Piper! Hey, Cassie. Come here, Piper. We're gonna go to the cars. In the back of my bed I had 22 inches. Cassie, Piper, come on. Piper, Piper, Piper. Come on. Come on, Piper. Snowplow came and plowed this little bit today. Piper. I'm gonna walk out in it. See if my doggies will follow me. Come on, Cassie. You see how deep it is to her. Piper! Come on, Pipers! Come on, Piper! Piper! Come on! Cassie! There she is. Hey, Pipers. Cassie, come here. Come on. They made their own little trail. Come here, Cassie. Cassie, come here. Come here. Come on. Cassie. Come here. Come on, Cassie. Come on. Come on. They're not listening to me. Come on.